Welcome back everybody for another look at the charts. Today we'll be looking at AUDUSD, GBPUSD, Dow Jones, and on the commodities and WTI's chart. And with no time to waste, we make a start with AUDUSDs for our chart. USD positions lost ground across the board yesterday, and characteristically AUDUSD jumped, breaking the 0.7165 resistance line, now turned to support. As the pair's price action broke the upper boundary of its past sideways movement, seems to be advising to maintain a bullish outlook for AUDUSD, yet the correction lower shows some stabilization. Should the buying interest be maintained, we may see the pair breaking the 0.7285 resistance line and aim for the 0.7390 resistance level. Should on the other hand the pair correct lower and the sellers take over, we may see the pair breaching the 0.7165 support line, thus paving the way for the 0.7050 support level. Moving now to GBPUSDs for our chart. Cable rose yesterday, yet proved unable to clearly break the upper boundary of its sideways movement, namely the 1.2615 resistance line. We tend to maintain a bias for a sideways motion for now, yet BOE's interest rate decision later today may alter cable's direction. Should the bulls gain control over the pair, we may see it breaking the 1.2615 resistance line, which it was unable to break yesterday, and aim for the 1.2765 resistance level. If the bears take over, we may see GBPUSD dropping, breaking the 1.2425 support line, and take aim of the 1.2330 support level. Lower than that, we note the 1.2250 support level. Our next chart is to be Dow Jones for our chart. Dow Jones jumped yesterday, reaching the 34,150 resistance line. To change our current bias in favor of a sideways movement, we would require the price action to clearly break above the pre-mentioned resistance line. Should the bulls actually take charge of the index's direction, we may see it breaking the 34,150 and aim for the 35,110 resistance level. To the downside, we note the 33,100 support line, and lower than that, we also note the 32,250 support line. Last but not least, we have the WTI chart. WTI rose yesterday and during today's Asian session, approaching the 108.50 resistance line. Overall, on a technical level, we tend to maintain a bias for a sideways movement of the commodities price, given that the main body of the price action remains confined between the R1 and the S1. Should the price of oil start rising, we may see, as a first sign of an incoming upward trend, the breaking of the 108.60 resistance line, while even higher we note the 115.80 resistance level. To the downside, we note the initially 97.50 support line, and lower than that, we note the 87.50 support level. From all of us here at FX, best wishes for solid trading.